And let's check out the weather right now. A truly lovely day.
It is, and it's going to be a really lovely weekend, too. Lots of love to talk about, right? We got Valentine's Day, too. Here's a breakdown for your Saturday in the Portland metro area. Tomorrow morning, first thing, if you have plans throughout the day and you're extra romantic, I've got the forecast for you here. We'll start off in the 40s for that morning brunch. We'll have to watch for a few areas of fog and a little bit of leftover cloud cover from a front that's swinging through tonight. That'll be very first thing in the morning, though. As we head towards midday, that starts to clear out. So we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures warming into the mid-50s, and we won't quite make it to 60 degrees tomorrow, but it's still going to be mild, just as mild as it was today, if not a couple of degrees warmer. And then tomorrow night, you're headed to dinner. We stay dry, and we will see those temperatures drop fairly quickly. So they'll be in the 40s. So you'll want to have the light jacket for dinner, but you definitely won't need the rain gear. Now, for the rest of the weekend, if you plan on heading out of town, if you want to go to the mountains or if you want to head to the coast, it's going to be really nice weather either way. Government camp, temperatures will be in the low to mid 50s tomorrow, low 50s Sunday, and we're going to have a lot of sunshine around. So if you're wanting to go skiing, you'll definitely want to wear the spring-like gear because it's just going to be so mild up on the mountain. Now, if you're headed to the coast and you've made plans to head to the coast, lucky for you. I mean, it is going to work out so nicely for you. Tomorrow we'll have the clouds to start off with in the morning, so that could hinder how warm we get for the afternoon. I still think we'll be able to get into the mid to upper 50s. And then tomorrow, or Sunday, I should say, we'll top out in the low 60s. Some of us approaching the mid 60s as we get into this offshore wind. We'll have sunshine around for the afternoon, so it's going to be a really nice weekend for the coast. And if you're headed to Bend, you're in luck too. It's going to be really nice there, or Madras. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, not quite as warm. Behind the front, we'll try to cool things off a little bit, but it's still going to be beautiful with a lot of sunshine around and still feeling fairly spring-like too for the afternoons. Chilly at night though, so you'll want to have those jackets on standby if you have evening plans. Here's what I'm watching right now. So this is the only hiccup in the forecast for the next few days, and that's this front that's lingering off the coast right here. Now, most of the moisture is going to head north of us, but we will have to watch over the next few hours for some of those light rain showers to push into coastal areas, northern portions of the Willamette Valley, and also into parts of southwest Washington. So here's how it pans out this evening. If you have plans early, you're fine. Mostly cloudy through 7 p.m. Temperatures in the low 50s. It'll be as we approach 9 o'clock tonight that we'll have to watch for a few stray sprinkles or maybe a light rain shower or two, and we'll have that possibility as we head through midnight too. Otherwise, we're just going to see the clouds thicken up. It is going to break up, I think, a lot by the time it moves inland into the valley. So here's that front right here. That swings through tonight. Look at the clear skies behind it. So that's what we're going to be getting into for the weekend. And again, most of the rain is going to stay to the north, so it's not going to be a big rainmaker for us. As we look ahead into next week, we still have a long trend of very dry, very mild temperatures to get through. So here we are Friday. This is all the warm air. Notice all the cool air, the colder air diving south out across the eastern half of the country. That goes for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, even into the middle part of next week. We still have this big ridge that's going to keep us very mild. So we'll have the fog that develops at night, and then we clear that out for areas of sunshine for the afternoon. That's going to be the case all the way through the middle part of next week. As we head into Thursday, we'll start to see a little bit of a dip there, and that means we're going to be watching for the chance for rain, and temperatures will start to cool off. But notice again, most of that really cold air just still stays to the east, and then we're back to warming back up again as we go into next weekend and early on Monday. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, and that'll reflect the warm, dry trend for sure. Highs in the upper 50s for the next couple of days, low 60s for the first half of next week, and then cooling off with rain moving back in by Thursday. So beautiful weekend ahead.
Yeah.
Get outside and enjoy it.
A lot of people will. Thank you, Kristen.